Now let's look at the wiring of E100C. Red and black correspond to SESR ports. Yellow and black correspond to ME and MR. Then connect the red and yellow ports together. Then clamp them at the position of SE of the power converter. Then the two black ends. These two plugs are strung together. Clamp them at the position of SR. Then PE-PR corresponds to the two ports on the current transformer clamped here. Now let's take a look at the parameters setting. The test type is CT, then number. This is winding. Then the resistance, force, magnetism, and the frequency conversion. Take a look at the parameters. Temperature 25摄氏度. Then the secondary current is 5万A. The frequency is 50 Hz. P, the maximum current is EA. Then the primary current setting is 600. Then the ratio is 10:0.8. Then there are our parameters. Then start the test directly. The test is completed. Save it. Then we can see a parameter now. This is the resistance value. Under the condition of 25摄氏度 and 75摄氏度, the value of its resistance. Then here is an excitation voltage current. Below is our ratio. Corresponding to our current transformer is 600:5. Then its ratio is 120. This is a comparative parameter. This is one of our curves. Then this is the excitation data. This is the geomagnetic curve. Then this test is completed.